Yes. Say.
Yes,
That's the custom. What is up, everybody? This is Kunai, and welcome back to this channel. If this is your first time, subscribe and also share this broadcast with your friends. Let's share this broadcast with our friends. So let me also do the same. Let me share. We want to make sure that we have as many people as we can vanokwanisa kuya vachiona vachikwanisa kudzidzawo about my website. Masikati tachitaura nyaya yeYouTube handitika and patataura nyaya yeYouTube iyoyo let me check website panonzi pane account yangu ini ndione kuti ndaenda here live. So this time we are live on my account here chaiyo. Pane account yangu ini ndione kuti ndaenda here live. I'm seeing that, so we are live. So let me just share this and share to a group. Guys, if you are coming through, just share this link, just share this broadcast with your friends. Today I'm with Mr. Leon Chingua. Guru Angu, thank you so much for coming today.
Thank you so much for having me. How are you doing?
Nice. So we are going to have a discussion about my website. What you need to know is that whatever you do pasipezua iko zvino, especially iko zvinonga vanhu makuzionera mega kuti nema lockdown ariko aya nechi vamwe vanhu vari kunzi vari kushandira kudzimba handitika. So kana uchishandira kumba kwenyu, kana ukanga usingazive kuti unoita sei kuti ukwanise kuwana mari wakagara kumba, unokwara ende unotonyatsonza kupisa kwazvo handitika. So it's very important for you to learn how you can make money using a website. But kuti ukwanise kuita mari newebsite yacho, you have to know kuti website yacho chimbori chii, zvinombanyatsofamba sei, munhu anoita sei kuti awane website, ndoita sei kuti ndiitewo yangu website. Because kudhara zvaivhundutsa ukanzwa kuti website yatofunga kuti hamene chinhu chinotyisa or something like that. But iko zvino you can have your website. And the website here you can use it to make a lot of money. So I'm seeing some people who are coming through. Vimbai Garnet, how are you doing? Priscilla Ngala, how are you? Juliet Nyamurunda, how are you? Creative Horizon, the speaker. Yes, Creative Horizon. I saw your message. You told me about your YouTube channel. So I'm sorry but what I can say is we can have a call after Tapeza Panapa. Mickey Michaels, how are you doing? So I'm trying to share. I'm still sharing this thing. I'm still sharing. We need to have as many people as we can to come through about my websites. It's very important kuti munhu whoever you are uite website yako yaunoti inini ndine website yangu yandogona kushandisa. Because I'm telling you kuti no matter who you are or where you are, no matter what business you are doing pasipezua, ichasvika nguva yekuti chero even uchitengesa madomasi you should have a website yemadomasi handisika. Ichasvika nguva yekuti kana usina website, ende pane pataizvitaura vanhu vachitotiseka tichitangira vanhu vanotaura zvinhu zvisingaitiki tichita kumana mawebsites aya musajairira ungatizveso unongochikomplaina kuti zvinhu zvakaoma wakagara kuti kune mumwe munhu anongori newebsite yake inenge ichimupa mari izviri chake kungotaura kuti akumana handi website mari ichipinda hatiti akagara. Saka you need to learn these things, you need to understand these things and you cannot ignore them. Ipapo handimbodi kunyepera, usambofunga kuti unogona kuzvitanza ndina basa nazvo ndezvanakundai chete kana kuti ndezvananhingirini chete. So I'm trying to share this. I'm sharing Sportsline, ZBC, same politics. I'm sharing in groups. So let's share in groups so that you can see go and now. I'm sharing in groups. Let's talk business. All right. So I've got some questions that I'm going to be asking Mr. Leon about websites. And if you have got any questions that you have about websites as well, you are free to ask, and we are going to be responding to those questions. So the first question that I have for you, say, ndinoda kubvunza kuti kana mubvunzo ungagona kubvunza vanhu vakawanda because ndinotoita nguva yandotombobvunza kuti naisha ndoita sei kuti ndikwanise kuita yangu website ende iko zvino alright chatozitaura nezvazvo because kuna vanhu vakaita semachechi machechi mazuva ano kana chechi yenyu muchitaura kuti hamuna website kana uri munhu wamwari muri pastor musina website kana kuti chechi isina website kana uchienda kuchechi isina website iwe alright so nai Mr. Dion chimbotiudza what is a website chii chinombonzi website how do I alright tombotangana kuti what is a website chinonzi website ndivanzikuzwisisa.
Alright, first of all I want to greet all the viewers Magadi vese vari kuona, and thank you so much for having me. Alright, a website basically it's I'll try and explain in layman terms ukuthi munhu anonzwisisa anditi. Basically a website is something that represents you or your business or your brand that is online. This something is per information on what you're offering, what you are selling, and also the services that you are offering. But all this zvinenge zviri cloud by internet saka it's more like, so some might call it like a company profile inenge iri online nekuti whoever wants to access it anenge ane an address the same way you have your personal phone number is the same way your website has a website address yekuti munhu akatypa in address iyoyo inoenda yobva yamushowa what you're offering.
Okay,
so basically in layman terms that's the website.
Alright, so munhu akaita sei anofanira kunge aine website? What kind of alright, who needs a website?
Alright, saka a website, munhu anoda a website, it's anyone or any organization needs a website. But now, what let me first explain to my individuals. For example, the day and age that we're in right now, everything is going digital. Saka most companies or most individuals are trading and they're doing business online. So meaning the platform that people are now using to communicate and to exhibit whatever they're offering is now online. Saka newo uri an individual. Tombodi uri an individual. Hauna kana company, hauna business. Some people are now actually creating my websites and then get my CV, my resume.
Okay.
johnbanda.com. Waivhura, you see my qualifications ake, zvakamboita, my pictures ake, more like a resume. Kana mukaona iye website inonzi LinkedIn. LinkedIn is more like LinkedIn my profile evanhu more like my CV, but zva more advanced azo. Zvine my profile, zvine work experience, zvine my timelines, but zviri online. So it's not for my personal individuals. And then for other professional individuals like my artists ne vanoimba vano actor, they also have websites to showcase their portfolio. And you know kuti vano actor kuti I want an acting role anoshanda an agent wake. Saka for reference purposes kuti vazive kuti munhu atoda kuemploya uyu anopinda here on this specific role that he or she wants to act, they refer to your website. Panenge paine your content as well. Same never imbi kana waida kupusha their content with a new album or a new launch or anything. All the information will be stored on their website. So basically it's something to do with easier reference for communication. If someone wants to know about Kundai Chitima, someone wants to know about Leon, someone wants to know about whoever, they go on their website and they get all the information that they require on the website. Then coming to my companies, nema corporates, my websites are more into exhibiting and also showing kuti vano offer chi. Well, this could be services and these could be products, and some then actually end up selling those products. So that will also be a platform where you can transact with someone who is thousands of kilometers away on the internet. They make a payment. If your product is something they have to ship in the go, they send. If it's something they can download, like a book, buying a book on your website, they'll make a payment, the money comes to you, and then they can be able to download the book. Saka, it's more like creating endless possibilities for anyone or for any corporate.
Yeah. So it's also I'll also be contributing as well because it's basically like kana une website zvaangofanira kuti une let's say tiri kutaura kuti business rako iroro raunaro handitika unenge unaro kana pari kana riri business riri kutengesa something tomboti une shop yako inotengesa hembe mutauni kana table unoona ngoti une table yako yekutengesa hembe mutauni kana ukanga wane website unenge wakafanana nekunge utori futi netable iyoyo futi but iri yepainternet
iri virtual
iri virtual zvoreva kuti pawebsite pako unoona kutoratidza vanhu ndiri kutengesa hembe idzi ndiri kutengesa zvakati ndiri kutengesa zvakati zvekuti vanhu unokwanisa kutoita kuti ikwanise kutora maorders website iyoyo wakatorarawo kana kuti zvaunenge uchiita yotora mawebsite yotora maorders as well.
Exactly. So what it has also created is kuti you now no longer need kuti unge une yatoti capital kuti wakwana capital yakawanda kuti unge une product kuti utengese. You know, the internet has set up a world kuti you can put up pictures of products online that you don't physically have pauri but that you are marketing. Zvekuti munhu akazotenga aita make a purchase on your website, you don't know order chatenga over what I say over umtengesera. They call it drop shipping, but it's another topic for another day. It's quite detailed, but I'm just trying to illustrate what you're saying. It works. You put something virtual. I wanna any physical location. I know it's pakati, but uri cloud, uri internet, and you're selling your product. So even using up the actual product on you can actually put products, sell. When someone then makes an order, so it's actually helping even kind of win a 000 budget.
Right. So it also means Guti, or maybe I can ask Njiti, for someone who is in Zimbabwe, or who is in South Africa, or who is like anywhere in the world. Kunyanya Zimbabwe, when I'm Zimbabwe, one answer from what websites is in this one, or USA, this one, or what can you say about Guti? Zimbabwe, do you need a website? And also, Guti. What can you do the website yako kuti ikwanise kukupa mari even vanhu vari palockdown?
Okay, so I know vane misconception yekuti kana uri Africa you don't need websites, kana uri America that's when you can only trade and do online business. Like right now in this time that we're in panguva ye lockdown, you'll find kuti so many people want products but havana access, and on some also want products but then they don't want to go through the long queues in COVID-19. So you find good, for example, a business like an online grocery store will be something that is viable in this moment in time, because most people who are even in the diaspora, they're actually buying groceries for people very kunok. Some actually can't go and transact from a bank, but the best that they can do is to take out their MasterCard or their Visa card, go on your website, make a payment, they buy. Urithiva Maria ya upo address munu, waisa markup zako, utora chi, magrocery zako, then you go and deliver.
Hey, anyone, I'm seeing some of the people who are saying something. Richard Chijaka. Did you say Richard Chijaka? Or say Anziko Kundi Ndakumoreza. All right, thank you so much. Fortunate Chapuka. I'm seeing Fortunate Chapuka on Facebook. Tracy Vimbai in the way. What's up? Okay, right. Thank you so much for coming through. So we are discussing Yema website. Zvekuti isusu munhu unofanirwa kunge uine website. Kana muri church munofanirwa kunge muine website. Kana muri whatever you do, you should have a website. Mukore uno, tutera chiti mukore uno. Pane madezi azvaita kakuti kutange zvaizvi kuti kana uchida, because you have to have it, whether you like it or not.
True.
Yeah, you have to have it. What does that chica? kana muri chechi ndikatonzwa kuti pana pastor nhengi kana kuti pana nhengi kana kuti kune chechi yakati chizoita ndiyoti chinja ndotarisa ndoenda unotarisa pawebsite yavo nonga imi munotozviziva ende vanhu vane problem yekuti fanike mazimbabwe nzamboza mumwe achitanzi handiana anotenga painternet mazuva imagine kuti vanhu izveso vari kubhadhara mari dzekujapan kubhadhara pawebsite munhu anoenda pawebsite otsvaga mota pabefore handisika mota dzakazara muzimbabwe dzakatengwa pawebsite dzese vanoona kuti mota iyi apedza kuona mota otonzi account number enda unoisa mari otoenda ne$2,000 kana $3,000 osvika unoisa mari yemota yaasina mbira asvika kana kubata nemaoko ake
yawana
mapicture ototenga handisika iko zvino there's a very very high increase of people who are buying stuff from China and I think we are going to have a day randitomboexplaina nyaya yekuchina iyoyo kuna vanhu vari kuhodha zvinhu kuchina zvinhu zvatinotenga zvazvira muharare zvinenge zvichidzi zviri kuita mazima ndichatanga kutaura chaicho chaicho zviri kuitika kune zvimwe zvinhu zvatinotenga muharare zvinenge zvichidhura zvisingaiti but kuchina zvezvo zvakachipa zvisingaiti and you can buy those China kwacho even usambura kuenda.
Exactly, like what you're saying, Panya, issue yema churches, but you find that a website is more now of like a resource center. Like for my church, you know, but as well, even we can get some of your content, some of your information, some of your sermons. You can keep them on your website, and even my announcements. You know, everything is now going digital. Saka, like what you're saying is true. With the website, Mazano ya a must have. Website, you have to get YouTube, you have to get driver's license. You need to have like your own digital address, your online. You go to whoever wants to access you. And even my church, and I go to Avangere as well. You know, so having access to a website, you know, information and resources in a bathroom, I think are 10,000 kilometers away or whoever. Saka. Those are also the advantages of having a website.
Yes. So if there are people who have got questions, please feel free to ask my questions. And so some of the questions that I have, Panapa, how does it work for a business? How does a website work for a business? I mean, not typing to
okay. So for a business, it depends on what line of business are you in. For example, I'll give two different illustrations name two different industries. Let's say Muruku offer technical support, Muruve IT and it. Kana Muruve IT, you're offering more of a service. And it I'm gonna put that I'm going to offer a service. So what a website will help is number one, it will show the list of services that you offer. Number two, it will show like a portfolio of the work that you have done. And it. Number three, it will also then show my contact details in you and it what you're offering. How this will help you is a website will answer many questions about your company. And it. So it is like when it comes to the whole PR part on your business, it covers quite a lot. What you're offering, if they go on your website, and I move I know what you're offering, what you want. So in the end, would know. I think offer this. So that will also save you time when it comes to correspondence. Then number two, it will also help you market your business. How? For example, Mazuano ana Google, ana Facebook, Vanema advertising platforms are to offer. And if you notice, these advertising platforms, they mainly link with your website. Like for example, I know the Google AdWords, Google search, Google search advertising. What happens is, and it includes Madomas. If I go on Google right now, they got Madomasi in Harare. If you pay them, because it's paid advertising, let's say you pay them $1 a day. Whenever you rank higher from Soro Paper on the website, Yago, whether you've paid Google or whether your website is just there or you rank higher, you rank high per Google search paper. What rank about search paper? They'll open your website and then they'll contact you. But the only way you can be found on Google is gonna uripa website. Une website yabo. You see now. Yeah. Saka you need to have like a digital address. But kana Google yati tinema tunoziya ausbabga madomas akanyoresa nesu kuma adverts yedu. But munhu ane website yake. Wavhura website yacho ndopaunozona ma different types of madomas. Madomas akasiyana-siyana ka. Because munhu angoda madomas. Pane mamahombe, maze big ones there. For those small ones there, and masala there. So your website will now then search all those varieties, and also you connect details could even budget. So it will help you in terms of reaching Manwakawanda, you waka urim office marco, because you find good in doing business. If you're offering a service like that, like tech support, you can also offer tech support for people who are in Zambia. You know. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're offering tech support for people in Zimbabwe. So for your business, an avenue where you have an endless possibility, where you can reach out to anyone, even in Kenya, or even in America, even in the UK, and you find that even some people, some business people in the UK, some prefer doing business with people in Zimbabwe. Why? Maybe Zimengwa offer my rates are quite high. You go maybe tech support rate per hour, could offer you favorable. So for them to look for you and find you, you also have to be online. More negotiator, Moita says. So you can still do business for anyone who's in any country. You offer tech support and it. So that's the first type of business and it. Number two, let's say you are selling groceries and it. Selling groceries. You have I'll use the illustration. Okay, that's the second illustration business. You're selling groceries, and then someone then wants to buy from you or you're selling. It now means you're selling to anyone or no matter what. Like I'll give an illustration. There's a client that I did a website for. One thing some groceries are UK or what happens is people in the UK are buying groceries for their loved ones in Zimbabwe. So Naro UK and no, they pay you. You will take and then you've made money. So how this will help you is you find you're most probably going to sell to people that you look for or a close circle of friends or a close circle of family members. Don't know where's the status sparkle, say, but you find you'll not reach as many people than having a website where you can now either advertise using those platforms we spoke about, Anana Google, Anana Facebook, you then reach a bigger number. So you then find by doing that, you actually scale on your business, you actually make more money, you reach more people, you make more sales, and sort of famba. So comparing to a person on a website, that scalability and actually you reach more people. Pange Pasina is just a matter of just reaching more people that you know. Maybe ukadoka flyer one. You find my flyer. I'm not saying flyers are bad, but I'm just saying having then a digital signature online, you reach more people. Will give you more leverage compared to a website.
Right. I'm seeing say Kuda is saying a website is like an employee that works for you 24/7. Right.
That's true. That's true.
Very true.
That's very true.
Tell me on online you tell me on wakarara. You need to understand kuti kune munhu anenge akamuka achifunga kuti ndinotenga jini. Handiti ndinotenga jini ndorona kupi jini. Handiti kana ndada kutenga kana sofa. Lese anotenga sofa. Obva atanga kutsvaga masofa. Saka usually ndinonga makambozvicherechedza kuti paunosecha something kana paGoogle ukasecha something chauda kutenga kana kuti cell phones unotenga foni yako paunobaya kuti cell phones inokupedzisira kuti cell phones in Harare. Kana uri kwaunenge uriko kana uri kana kuti muSouth Africa inoti kuti cell phones in Cape Town, cell phones in Jakarta. Saka kana ari munhu manje, kana uri munhu anenge aine business rako rekutengesa macell phone, munhu paanosecha cell phones in Harare, handiti kana une website manje wakaita zvachitaura nyaya yekurenga, pane abvunze nyaya yekurenga, we will explain that. kana wakarenga website yako munhu kazhinji paunoclicka bhozi unosecha paGoogle pobuda maanza kamaresults kuti pane kwakati pane kwakati pane paanoclicka ipapo anopedzisira asvika kuwebsite yako. Saka iwe kana website yako iripo ipapo munhu iyeye kana asecha achitsvaga A5 yake yaanoda kutenga kana iPhone 6 yake kana iPhone 10 yaanoda kutenga ndo paachabva aenda pawebsite ipapo. Saka iwe kana wanga wakaseta apo website yako zvakanaka munhu achatongosvika achitongoti nda kutenga website ogona kutoona phone number dzako chirevheni akasatenga ipapo asi anokwanisa kutoziva kuti pane website yandaona ine namba iyi ine anokwanisa kutobva atokufonera kana kuti mangwana makuseni kana kutsindira message ndodo iPhone kana kuti munhu anenge ari kuUK anoda kutengera mai vake foni handitika iwewe paanosecha handitika ari ikoko achabva aona website yako aona website yako achakwanisa kutoisa order iwewe patime iwewe pamwe unenge wakantorara pamwe ipapo kuma11 pakati peusiku then iye achaklicka obva aona obva atoisa order yekuti ndoda foni ngaindonotengeswa fupi pamurewa kuna mai vangu handitika chichaitika nchekuti iwe makuseni pauchamuka kana kuti anytime uchatoona notification yekuti pane order yaiswa handitika chako iwewe kana whether unayo foni kana kuti hauna hautokwanisa kutoenda unotora kwacho kune masuppliers ako kana wanga usina because website yakanakira like what he explained earlier kuti yakanakira kuti unogona kutoisa website yekuti ndotengesa mafoni even usina mafoni acho wototaura ndine mafoni ese kubva kuiPhone 1 kusvika ku19 yacho kana kuti hameno whatever maiPhone maSamsung maHuawei unogona kutoisa nemalaptop wotoisa zvese zvaunoti unotengesa zvine chekuita netechnology woseta kuti munhu wese anenge achitsvaga zvinhu izvo zvaanoenda pawebsite yako oisa maorders paanoisa order unogona kutoiudza kuti inini maorders angu anouya within 24 hours kana kuti within 3 working days kana kuti chii patime iyoyo panoiswa order wotora mari yemunhu iyeye wakutoenda unoisa order yako kuna supplier wako wakutonotenga zvinhu zvako wakutoendesa kwazviri kudiwa. That's how you make money. Inini I've done that. I've done that and I've actually lived doing that. Like kurarama mari ari meme chiita mari yakarongeka chaiche chiita zvandiri kutsanangura ina zvinakana mweya wesvina achiti mbavha achiti chiinye kutonzwisisa how to take advantage of technology.
True.
Right. So I'm seeing some of the comments. Let me check some of the comments. Some of the questions. I mean, pane abvunza nyaya yekurenga ndoyandirutsvaka. Hapana atanzi, can he make a website for me? Okay, that's fine. We can make that to happen. If you want to have a website, Mr. Leon is an expert when it comes to nyaya dzekucreate websites. So let me check. Comment yaenda kupari munhu anga achibvunza kuti chii chinonzi kurenga haya good uyu Cliff abvunza kuti chii chinonzi kurenga haya. Can you explain on that?
Okay, saka kana munhu wane website anditi we all know there's Google search. I think very popular. Let's work with Google search. Saka munhu akaenda paGoogle nhasi akati soccer balls in Harare anditi munoona inoshowa results ainoshowa like on the first page maybe pane kana maybe 10 results or 12 results depending on what tobuda zvakaita sei. So the top 3 or the top 5 or the top 10 anenge arenka as top 10 per search iyoyo in that specific location anditi. Saka kurenka iposition yako iwewe yaunobuda your website painobuda when someone makes a search on Google search. For example, if someone says register a company in Zimbabwe, there are companies that do that offer those services. If you search that, you know what the first page pano results anengaripo whether top 10 or top 12 position yako ndo ponenge warenka. Saka in most cases when people talk about ranking, it's kuti when someone makes a search for a specific service or a product that you have, unda kuti urenke in the top 3 slots or top 4 slots. Why? Because this will give you a better chance of your website being clicked on. Kana chi pari pa search. Saka pakurenga apa marengero acho anosiyana kuti iwe uende pa number 1. Google iyo pane yavanoti search engine optimization. Basically what it means is vana mazvikokota websites vanocreate ma links, vanocreate ma blog, voita sei zvekuti marobots eGoogle anorenka your site kuti vachiona kuti ine content iri relevant here depending on the area that you are in. For example, let's talk about that company registration. Saka kana company registration, if you have my articles and more my blogs, well, it's kind of a bit too deep, but I'm just trying to explain in a layman's term. Saka once it takes time to Google index your website. The robots I think I show information in report zvoshiwa here munhu ndiye here zvoshiwa wemachi wemacommand registration aiwa rekati mkwidze mangwana anyora here information iri update zvinhu zvari kuoffer woshiwa rekati mkwidze. Saka such an optimization hapana mari yaunobhadhara, but unobhadhara munhu akuitira website wacho ari kuoffer service iyoyo, but he wants off fee. So how this works now is it takes time as Google will be going through your site. You'll find that as someone is working on your site to rank it higher, it might take you 6 months or 7 months to ukwire position yauri desired. Because it's more of organic. And then quarter number 2, the paid AdWords paid search, like Google search. Iwo unopea Google mari kuti no Google inoda kupa mari yakati kana $2 pazuva muti renko padenga denga kana munhu asearcha for a product that I'm offering or for a service that I'm offering. So what these guys at Google have done is, because they're making more money with paid search, whatever search engine optimization, you might not get to the top that fast, because they obviously they do not mari. And it. Saka system unopea Google mari. Why pay mari Google? No, Google I want to pay you $2 a day. Unopea ma dollars or ma rand the much depending on the location that you are. You pay them mari yoyo. Saka when you pay them, it's your vanity pay per click. You're only charged when someone clicks on your advert, depending on the budget. Saka yo ukataka pay nas. After a few hours, depending on what area and competition around there, number 1 pe Google search.
Okay, right. Mozatika ndikuona kuti yena advert nanani I think wanawanda tichifana tozoita tichatokuexplain like
because it's too deep man. I'm just trying to break it down, but ine zvakawandisa mairi man.
Ine zvinhu zvakawanda so alright, ngatimbotaura nyaya setup yewebsite. What is required? Chii chinodiwa kuti munhu aite setup website kuti aitewo yake website?
Alright.
Or maybe anoita mari or something.
Okay. Per website chekutanga chaunonida iwewe is the web address. The web address in like for example kuti kundachitima.com. That's a web address. So you choose kuti uda kuti address yako ite extension .com which is more mostly yakatanga iri kuAmerica, but it's now more of like a global extension. .co.zw Zimbabwe, .co.za South Africa, .co.bw and Botswana. Zvongosiyana kuti uda kuisira kupi. My extensions are inyaya ingoti maybe you want kuti your site ingwane an identification, you would know it's from this country. But I know basa depends. It will more of a preference and then so once one a domain name, a domain name is like a phone number. Once you have it, no one else can have it. And it. But now how it works is so the first step is a domain. How it works is you buy a domain online, or you buy from a registrar and a domain. Watching another domain, you pay a yearly fee for a domain. So most domains, if you pay a yearly fee, you have to pay after a year and a pura, grace period. From there, from your account. So someone else can buy it.
Yeah.
And someone else can buy it. So once one domain name, the second step now is the hosting. Hosting there with domain area, your phone number here or your digital address. kuti ichienda pamasai ichiva live kuti ichiva accessible. So a hosting is a payment that is paid separately as well from the domain fee. Imagine kuti chi ma-files akwewewe achienda live. So ma-files ndo atochi anenge aine website yekuti chi anenge yaoneka wakathrough na web designer wako, and also ndokuti panenge paine ma-files emachi ema-email ako ndo panenge akahostwa. So the first step is the domain. Second step, you pay for the hosting. Then third step now is then having the website designed or developed. Na developer wako or na web designer wako, depending on what type of website is it. But there are different types of platforms that people develop on, and WordPress, and PHP, and HTML. Those are just different languages that developers use when they're creating my websites. Once your website is done, the developer that website is now uploaded onto your hosting. Hosting upload on your hosting, it will now go live. But if anyone now types in kundaichitima.com, they'll be able to see your website and your information and whatever you are offering.
Okay, right. Yes. So I'm seeing some of the questions. Hans Kundai, can you please kindly ask Leo kuti kana vachiti website yaita crash down and hacked chinenge chatora nzvimbo plus, how do these things happen?
Okay, so these factors, but in our industry, sometimes the particular error on my side, it's very easy for me to blame the website that crash. What people do is kana pakutengama domain paper. Most developers or designers, what they do is would your domain kunaichitima.com. On the website, I buy your domain in my name, of which that's wrong. When anyone is buying a domain, they should buy it in their name. But most people buy my domain and my designer. So domain, although the website will go live, it will be in their name. So the first reason you need to my site under a crash, they would in any the website will be in my name and it. Look for Maria hosting the client. In hosting paper, do not pay a big jan and you pay yes. And the UTG immediately I'll pay when I get the next job. And it. So along the lines, I'll do kanganwa or the site yachi ila badaro. That kanganwa. My files, website, this not quite backup up. This not quite backup up my files, actually. I know Arasiga. Over. And it. Kind of what you should in order to know. Sites yaka yekwa. You better say. Sites yaka yekwa. Yeah, my files there about crash.
Alright, so it's not necessarily here to answer. What's the website? You're winning guy, it has a cash out.
Alright, it's like that's the first point, and then the second point, it's also when we create my websites, we use my templates. My templates. So what templates? What these templates do is basically they make life easier for us, and it like you won't need to write any code for them anymore because my templates, not what together. So most of these templates are for free. No, sorry, most of them are for sale and they online. So because we are to Zimbabwe, and then reach up with the client site so maybe client that no because these templates are bought in US dollars online. What the designers do is they go to my site, they download my templates there for free. And so the people who give out these free templates, they don't just give them out for free. When it's a virus, my templates, my backdoor, my virus, my mavirus ekuti anokwanisa kuma-sites yavanhu vasinopfeka saka so what happens is iwo paunotora template rega unofunga kuti riri bore waita website yemunhu 2-3 months down the line site yemunhu inoita kumisbehave because mavirus aya they're meant kuti chii if you're selling products online anditi munhu akasa card number rake anofanira pika card number ayaya anditi if your site is getting too much traffic munhu aklicka pasite pako inofanira kumenisa kuname your site. So my virus I can actually overwhelm the site yako, then your site can actually crash. So about crash up magic, it means they corrupt my files inside yako, so your site won't be able to load. So it messes up a lot of things. I like to bring the jaro, to bring it. To bring it. I find out need a raspberry and I'm musadara. Raukwata area kuti avchabve avchada azvibude raspberry ndinoona kuda isogeza nje azvibude zvazviredzi so it's something that it distorts everything nenyaya yekuti chi munhu adokato macourse and also because also acharge mari chi iri bit less in about say kuti akave so that's the other reason yekuti chi site crash but the website crasher dzimengwa imwe word zvekuti wo ungonzwisa kuti site yadhakwa but manone sale mean kuti site crash because ukaona ma-hosting company pama-service avo vanonyora kuti 99.9% uptime meaning kuti hapana paunzonzi hosting yavharwa hazviite unless kana iwo usina kubhadhara kana iwo usinopewa vanhu hosting vanogura vanomisa zvese because ivo they mean business because it's only Zimbabwe munhu paunzoti ashanda ndopa mari mangwana ona chibvuma kune dzimwe nhingirini kune dzimwe nyika they believe kuti on the 31st make your payment, if not you'll be offline. Saka vanowanda manje mahosting company zaya manje akapeya mari yaya maybe visa card rake harina mari musi iwoyo maybe bank rake harisi kuita mapayments, so the sites will go down. So sometimes musaurira nevanhu they will delete everything. Saka manje iwo in most cases manje when you do, most people do websites, most of them they don't back up like mafiles they don't back up.
Hey, I'm seeing some of the people we have. Ngomangu Thomas Chijanje, and well done on these lives. Thank you so much, Ngomangu. Thank you for the support. Yeah, we have an Thomas Chijanje, you know. So thank you so much, Thomas. Hanzi pakuitwa nezvei haikundai anoita mari kucreata maweb nehosting .co.za apa totaura ma-specific numbers here kana kuti because I think zvinoenderana nekuti website yako ndei. I think you can just keep
contact. I think okay, let me explain panya. A lot of people vane misconception panya website kuti website imari kuti website ine fixed price but maybe kuti zingiri mari ya 2 rand iri 1 rand 3 rand. A website is different from that, but it depends with the specification of the website, how the website will operate, how much space it will take, and how dynamic is it going to be. Like for example, munungo yango the website imari. That's what people mostly do. A website imari maybe $200 but yeah, that website I found on Facebook. Do they have social network? What I shouldn't worry like Facebook into Europe that there are something like that is actually very expensive. But no, on my own social network you for my students, but you want 200. So people don't understand that a website, the pricing of a website and the cost of the website determine what it say, how it's going to operate, how it's going to function, how could it dynamic say, are people going to be signing up as users like Facebook? Are people going to have their own profiles? Can people store up like my pictures? How so many things. But what I know is then most people have they more like want something really basic. But no, I want a basic website. Of which basic in the sense that pane homepage yekuti wasvika, hi, how are you, welcome to Kundai Chitima, about chichi services that we offer, contact us. Or maybe a shop, can I shop here more for the basic, maybe chakati, follow us on our social media, why so Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever, you put everything there, and then people be able to contact you. Those are actually good. But at the same time now is once you then have the website, like I think we'll talk about it on a later stage. Once on a website, you need to market that website. Could is Zikano, you know, people will not just know you could you are there website. Yeah, no. There's some stuff that you also need to do. Like earlier on we mentioned about my paid ads and the optimization. Can I share your website by social media? Because okay, it's I'll give a good example. It's just like you Kundai buying a new line and a new phone number. With some phone watching it, what people will call you. No one will call you because no one doesn't know your number. Yeah, we know your number, so he won't call you. I took this here. Yeah. But also marketing. So most people then feel that, you know what, these websites are not relevant. Because I'm going to site here, I market it as a good market was saying. And most people then lie to you that my web designer and my web developer. No, you have to bono optimization because we like using a lot of jargon here, but you never understand. No, that's not in optimization. So the robots will then crawl in the system, then ring it higher. So Google then index it in a way that to then index also give it time because it will take time. So after Google does that, the location will then be pinned, what not IP address, what not file or what not you what not but what jargon what ufile pane zvaitwa but pasina zvaitwa. So you find kuti there is a lot that people then need to understand and know kuti once on a website as you pay ramp up, like I gave an example, when your phone number, this is my new number, call me, my new number, call me, or even start using my emails your own domain with hi it's Kundai at Kundai Chitima or info at Kundai Chitima. My emails in most cases people nakona your kind of my personalized emails. In most cases, they'll click to see what your website looks like. In most cases, they'll click to see what your website looks like. So basically, that's how it works. It's like the pricing and everything. Even by issue hosting actually, that's what I. But hosting actually, there are different types of hosting and it because they come with issue space number one. Which I want to say. Muna website inenge Amazon kana website inenge macro mbe nemuna ngorone website yake we company yake yotengeso space emota space dawo dzontora dzakasiyana like storage space pos uya ajesa products akawanda Amazon uye papers ajesa maybe 200 pictures na products ake zvaropera. So you are charged according to your space and also by issue your bandwidth. Zimenguwa panozonzi website yakrasha. That's also a point and I can tell them. You cannot pay hosting yako. Let's say a program at 5 gig space, 2 gig bandwidth, as well. Okay. Bandwidth is more like traffic on your no one. Saka tomorrow or package yo. You will wait a website. Wombe, Yabutichi, the one I wonder. Let's say like a news website or something, you put in my products, I wonder, or something really informative. What will happen is on your website because you paid for my resources are less. What will happen is your site will crash.
All right, inoremerwa. So kana tautaza tikotara zviri easy inoremerwa.
Inoremerwa. That's all inoremerwa. Zvava nokuti watakura una mota kamshika unotakura una wanda kana vari like pick up pane pressure hakuna anything. What handi mese you find kuti wachitwa madhoo waita sei walopinda window because what you want to offer and what you have are just print run. So in your site crash. But most providers have in such scenarios one way you put it your site has to crash here. Now things are actually getting better. One continuous plans where maybe one block traffic over to can't be reached anything. But it's actually more in depth when it comes to my issues there.
Oh, right. I'm seeing some of the people who are commenting. Some social media news. That's one of the best lives ever. Very informative. Great job to you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much. Thank you so much.
Saka guys, what we are talking about right now, unoona ngosingazvinzwisisi usina kana chautombonzwisa kutaura chijabhonzi kutaura nechi. But I can assure you, I remember there was a time yakambotaurwa ndakambona pane madezi andainzwa Strive Masiwa achitaura achitanzi pane time yataiti munhu anofanira pane time yekuti vanhu vanga vasingagoni kuverenga unoziva pane time yekuti vanhu vanga vasingagoni kuverenga anoziva kudhara ndonga tongona kutangira kana muma60s nema70s pana vanhu vaitonzi haana kudzidza haana enda kuchikoro zvazviri zvinhu zvekuti like havana enda kuchikoro zvozikana handisika but pakazoita time yekuti zvazvisingaite kuti utaura kuti hanzi inini handina kudzidza handisika iko zvino hazviite kuti utaura kuti hanzi handina kudzidza unoregedza kudzidza wakaregedza kudzidza sei of course variko but I'm saying zvazvinhu zvekuti hazvichanyanyowanika vava vashoma vanhu vanotaura kuti handina kudzidza zvachose pane time yekuti vanhu vanga vasinganzwi chirungu iko zvino vanhu vakunzwa chirungu vanhu vazhinji vanonzwa chirungu chero ukatoenda kuna nambuya muchemberi wemazano unotonzwa nangachitonzwa chirungu mungaperi then pane time yavaitaura kuti hanzi pane time yekuti vanhu vese vanga vasiri computer literate. If you remember pane madezi at that time yainzi ITDA also.
ITDA as license yechidriver license yemakomputer
madezi ataita izvozvo zvainzi izvo unofanira hanzi pane zvaita zvekuti zvaitodadisa kauti hashamari nditori nekacertificate keICD kana kuti ndinogona Microsoft Word kana ndogona zvaitodadisa ende pataiona munhu anenge ane computer pane time yataigona kuti tikasvika kana mubhengi tichiona munhu anenge ane computer rezigodzera rakamutarinzwa achiritichukacha aita sei saka vaita hanzi pane time yakazonzi every person on the earth handisika afanira anga ari computer literate handisika iko zvino of course vanhu vacho kune vamwe asiri but almost every person iko zvino ukatopa mhomes ukavapa foni inoika yanditori nayo kana kuti even chero iPhone chero chi vakangogara nayo kana 1 week vanopedzisira vakutozivana nayo handitika saka point yangu iri pakuti pane time yainzi izvo zvinhu zvakati ndezvevana nhingi ndezvevana nhingi saka patime iyoyo Strive Masiwa aitaura kuti hanzi pane time yekuti munhu wese anga asingagoni I mean it was not possible kuti munhu wese atonzi anotori nefoni kana munhu wese anotori necomputer but as time went on munhu wese akapedzisira ane foni muhomwe make munhu wese akapedzisira ane TV mudzimba munhu akapedzisira dai saka vaitaura achitanzi iko zvino patime iyoyo aita hanzi make sure kuti maskills aunofanira kunge unawo achange akunzi ari maskills achange achinzi ari compulsory. One of them aita nyaya yekuti graphic designing kana kuti zvinhu zvine chekuita nedesigning unofanira kunge uchiziva hatisi kuti enda unogona utange kunyatsogona wega kudesigna wega but aiti unofanira kunge une knowledge yazvo ndobva ataura kuti number 2 skill mawebsites achitaura hanzi ichasvika time yekuti munhu unonge uchitoti kana wada kutsvaga basa kana usina website kambani yako inongokuti tipe website yako shamari kwete kuti tipe CV unonzi website yako inonzi chii wotongosvika kana unongobvunza kunzi unonzani wotaura ndonzi Kunda HTML vati orai tiripo havachatotauri neni vakutoenda unotsvaga painternet kundahtml.com woona hapana kundahtml.com wobva waenda unotsvaga kuti kundahtml voenda paFacebook voona kuti unoposta kuti chii unotaura kuti chii voenda paInstagram wotarisa paTwitter wotarisa paLinkedIn wotarisa pachi vanobva vatoziva kuti ndiwe here munhu watiri kuda nge tinaye mukambani medu kana kuti hausi zvekunzi tipe CV rero unozonyora kuti I am able to work under less minimum supervision havazvitarisi zvinhu vanongotaura kuti tida kuona kuti unonyora nezvii unoposta kuti chii unonzwisere
urani
exactly even chero company ichasvika time yekuti unonge uchitokataura kuti ndosupplier chakati unonzi kambani yako inonzi chii inonzi chakati unonzi alright tiripo munhu enda paGoogle unotsvaga kambani yako akaishaya kambani yako anenge akutoona sekuti you don't exist even chero ukatotaura kuti ndinotori nezvitupa zvekushandisa ndine mapepa ekuzimbura nechi haana basa nazvo anenge achitokutarisa kuti une here social media kana kuti une here digital presence kana usina
you find kuti most people actually lose business nenyaya iyoyo yekuti havana website so the website inopa some sort of credibility kuti no munhu ichi are established most people lose business nenyaya iyoyo
exactly saka doing business website munozati ikavabereki yakanakira zvinhu zvakawanda. I know a certain friend handisika kana ndingangoti kungowa nebusiness rine chekuita neinternet I know a lot of people vanotaura kuti inini ndakatanga kungoita business rangu ndakatanga kutengesa zvinhu zvangu ndakatengesera kwakati ndakatengesa pane mumwe munhu aindifonera a few days ago pana palockdown panapa achitonditi shamari ndine business randakatanga rekutengesa pane zvaanotengesa zvemuno muzimbabwe zvemuno muafrica handisika but hanzi I am selling kuma-universities in the US achitaura hanzi ndakatozita time yekuti ndakatoringwa nevanhu vakanya vachitonditi we want to invest in your business vazviona pawebsite vakati this is something vakamupa aitaura hanzi so far ndakapiwa initial $10,000 munhu aingotengesa zvinhu zvake zvaaingotengesa but pane vanhu vakaona website yake in the US handisika vasitomboriwe kuti hama kana shamwari kana zviya zvekunzi toda maconnection unofanira kunge uina sekuru anokuziva kana kuti chia zvekutongoita zvinhu kwakubva zvatotanga kuti kwakutoonekwa pawebsite yake kwakutonzi mari what are you doing, we want to understand what you're doing ende vakawana phone number dzake pawebsite pake havana kuita zvekutoda kutanga notsvaka saka website it is very important for any business rauri kuita. It doesn't matter what kuita business even iwewe as an individual you should have your own website and I'm telling you kuti nini kundaichitima mai manje so muchaona zvinhu reatova vani ndizvoka Mr. Leo.
And also I just want to give this insight that the richest man pasipana pa Jeff Bezos akatomari website with the Amazon. The richest man with the Amazon akatomari website. Most entrepreneurs vari millionaires nokurumidza overnight, most of them are digital entrepreneurs. What am I saying? Vanhu vanotengesa zvinhu zvavo offer zvinhu zvavo online. Ana Mark Zuckerberg vakuita mari nokurumidza. Vanhu vakawanda vari veGoogle vechi. Most people vakuita mari overnight nenyaya iyoyo, nenyaya websites or something chekuti chiri online. Saka chinhu chekuti why? Because it's like I said before, it's an endless possibility. You're online and there are billions of people all over the world. Saka anything can happen.
Yes, there's a lady akaita the youngest self-made billionaire. Andikwakamborina youngest self-made angari Mark Zuckerberg. Akazoita mumwe mukadzi anonzi Kyle Jenner, something like that. Munhu iyeye akaita the youngest unomuziva nditi self-made billionaire with a B ende akaigadzira mari yese iyoyo achishandisa laptop yake inonzi MacBook yake laptop yake akagara mumba akaita billionaire asina kana mazi rori kana mazi gonyeti kana kuti mazi chii achingoshandisa website yake chete. And we have got so many people. I think itori top 5 yemabillionaires in the world. Voisana navana Jeff Bezos, the richest man in China, Jack Ma, like most people. And
most of them is online. Digital,
exactly. The biggest, and the industry raise millionaires and billionaires more than any other industry in the history of the world. It is the internet industry, internet online entrepreneurship industry. Yekuti munhu anongoita website yake otanga kuwana mari. Unozati I know some people who make mari dzosvika kana $100,000 in an hour. $100,000 in an hour. Nekuda kwewebsite. I've seen that happening. So one way, zvinhu zvatiri kutaura izvi guys, it makes a lot of sense. Kana zviri kumeka sense izvezvika, I think what you can do, sit down. If you can watch this video again, or kana uchikwanisa you contact Mr. Leon, you contact kana kuti nini, kana wakadaro wonyatsobvunza ndine mubvunzo wakati, kana kuti you can even ask my comments and then we will try to answer you. You can come pa Instagram pangu or you can come pa Instagram pa Mr. Leon, unocheka Leon Chinguwa, pa Facebook pap, you will find even page how you will find it and then you will be able to talk to him. So I'm seeing some of the questions. Yes, Hans Nazim social media news, Hans YouTube is a website making billions. Yes, those people are making billions of dollars. And on Facebook, where patenti pa Facebook, where she sent another message, she sent my live, it's just say they are they are making billions. And also there are people who are making billions. Vasiri varidzi vayo. As an individual, you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars per Facebook ipap. You can make hundreds of thousands of dollars, even millions of dollars per Instagram. You can make millions of dollars by YouTube. You can make money.
That's true.
So there's a question I ask on Zoom social media. And having SSL certificate on a site is important also. There are services like Cloudflare also which can help sites from bot or DDoS attacks. Can you explain about this, please? Yeah, this one, I think it's a very, very
okay. Yeah, okay. I'll try and explain in a layman's term. Okay, so you find good when you have a website, and I'll try and give an illustration of how or something physical what you can understand. When you have a website and it online, it cloud and it. So many good housework in that world or in that environment housework and it. Muna one watch very mochi very business. Could have mochi very malicious and it. Saka in SSL, it's like an encryption or a certificate or security that you put on your website. You put it I consequently put it. It's basically it's like you watanga a company and it what enter a property or a building or a space, and then when a security guard or some sort of security. Anything can happen. Anything. So an SSL certificate is like then putting a security guard, putting in like an alarm system, putting like my camera. Putting when someone then wants to try and hack that system where it was like a wall or a barrier or something preventative to put the money as I hack into it. And then you actually the Cloudflare. So my hackers one of my different ways of attacking my injection, my DDoS, my TV. It's a bit technical, but one of my ways are not cheap. I don't attack my website. So one of my companies I can't like I did say to set up these security measures. They can protect your website and your company. Like for example, if you have a website where e-commerce you need some sort of security on your site. Security for yourself, for your website, and also for your clients. As far as the good mono or take at your shop, mangwana over omuga wana kakadra maybe panamona akabamare nema card details again. You know. So
all right.
Yeah, so you find good Saka, you need to put some sort of protection because when I was there, no, website MFSG, no one will come to buy. So you lose business and you also lose customers. And at the same time, you also get a bad name for you. And listen, Munu, pakateka like pana no the forum, I don't know, the machi. Ukona panyo na guys website yakundai or yachi there. Panyo no wanda. Kuti inobiwa. If anyone then types your name, you find it good. Pama search is also a Google. Panta up the forum and guys don't buy from this site. Yakadai. Cannot be one. So it will be actually bad for your business and for yourself. So having some sort of security measure to prevent such is actually advisable. So these guys although there are some that offer free SSL certificate for your site to secure it, some actually you actually pay. So it then also that depends with how big is your website as well and all sorts. But like I told you, kuna malicious with the Panama hackers. What did you know? Vada kuto heko kana Amazon jayo. Wado heko kana Nike.com or anywhere because vada kubamari. So you're in a world where you have malicious people. Some are not malicious. Some are actually proper business people. But you're in an environment where you just need to secure yourself. So some of those things you can't do them. So you have to pay for these services. So they're actually very, very important if you are someone who wants to venture into in e-commerce or a big site in information.
Right. I think our broadcast I'm seeing Hans Thomas Karakadzai. How can I get in Kundai? How can I get in touch with you? Okay, Zamleda Nkomangu kana mukange muri pa Facebook anditi. Kana muri pa Instagram, munonisendera message pa Facebook kana pa Instagram Kundai Stima. Ndinobva kusendera namba dzangu, ndinowanzocheka mamessage angu akangopinda ndotoaona. Saka it's not very difficult to get in touch with me. Plus ndine mawebsite, ndine mavideo akawanda ndaitara nezvemafone number, saka pane mafone number angu akawanda. I mean, kwete mafone number akawanda, but mavideo akawanda ndakaisa mafone number imene. Right, so thank you so much, Mr. Leon. I think if there are people who've got any questions, they can always come through. Can you put my phone number? Can you put your phone number? Yeah, is it okay? Should you put your phone number? Contact you.
Yeah, it's fine. I think it's fine. I'll put my number. It's fine.
All right. So, number you know +263 +263
774
+263 774
059
059
182
182. And is it?
Yeah.
Right. So this is the phone number, Mr. Leon. You just contact him. As I send a request on Instagram. Okay, thanks, Baba.
Yeah, that's the number.
So that's the number. This is Mr. Leon Chingua. Andisika saka yozonena kana uri kuona just take a screenshot. Andisika unozonyatsoitarisa kana kuti unozoona video inei later on. Uchava contact kana kuti unongoenda pa Facebook uno request Leon Chingua. Andizvo Leon Motor.
Yeah. Leon Chingua
pa Facebook and pa Instagram. Just go and follow him. All those details. And if you want to get a website, you can just contact him. And kana wabva kuna kudaiga uchaona kuti manigrina acha maprice achanga asina kuwanda. So kana wakuenda unosvika uchiti ndaona video yamaita nani nakudai atisika kuitira kuti maprice anga ari kuaiziva password ndikundai chitima. Saka kuti ndazokona ipana kundai chitima. Munoadzikisa maprice haazoiti chaiwo emazuva ese.
Okay.
All right, nice.
That's true.
Yes, so guys, if you want, you can just contact him. Just take that number. I'm telling you, ukasatsara phone number iyoyi handiti unoregedza kuitora, but I can assure you kuti uchasvika time yawachaida kuzofunga tamana ndaida website paya pane munhu andakaona ari pana kundai achitaura chichichichi. Anzi Nazim social media. Great show, guys. Thank you. When I'm ready for a website, I'll contact you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Thanks for the news. You know that Timbo Taura, Timbo Tifefe, Timbo Ita serious. Yes, Timbo Tifare. No, that Timbo Tifare. So, that's the number. Guys, panapa itusiningechita zvese. Yes, tunoita mafaro makuwa tichisa. My imagine, so just after video ine tokanda makuwa. Tichigeza. But tikati makuwa. Toita madhira nemari, makuwa. Madhira nemari. Otherwise, what we really want someone to learn and get to know something that can help them. And so I'm telling you, Yema websites is very important. You should have a website. Whatever business you are doing, or kana uri munhu ari serious neupei mukore unoyu, you should have a website. Unoziva here kuti izvezvi vanhu vari kutowana mabasa. Kuna vanhu vari kutoshanda izvezvi kutara kuno pana vanhu vandoziva vakawanda. Vakutoshanda kuAmerica. But vakagara kumba kwavo kuBenview 1 kuZimbabwe. Vachitoshandira a certain company in America. So if you are serious, if you learn how these things work, how the websites work, all these kinds of things, which are not is going to be easy for you. Marino anika wakagara kumba. I can assure you. Marino anika wakagara kumba. Pa lockdown panapa vanhu vari pa lockdown. Ende muzati nguva ine ndio chaichaya. Of course unogona kugara pasi uchiona money heist handiti. Ona money heist, ona chichichi handiti uchiona series ese ugowapedza. But it's also important to get to learn some of these things. And also probably I should have my own website. Handiti. Kune vamwe vaindibvunza nyaya dzeblogging. Unogona kutanga kubloga. Unoona ngosinako company yauri kutengesa kana kuti usina kana maproducts auri kutengesa. But you can start a blog. Handitika. Pablog pako you can start writing articles ezvinhu zvaunofarira. Unogona kunyora kana zvehembe, unogona kunyora fashion, unogona kunyora nyaya dzaunoda kana kutonyora kana makuhwa kana chizvawada unonyora. So you need to have a website. So this is the guy. Anogona kuitira website yako, okusotera website yako yakanaka yokuti vanhu vanenge vachiti ndinombona vamwe vanhu vanoita ndinombona vamwe vanhu vanoita mawebsite anenge ari mablog anenge akaenda pamablog ari free anenge akanzi .wixsite.com anenge akanzi kana vachititima .wordpress.com kana vachiri kudaro vasati vasirious. Kana vachida kuita website inokupa mari unofanira kuisa website yekutoti panotoinvest. And the good thing is website haisimbori mari yakawanda. Ine website mari yacho yaunongobhadhara yacho unoona kutozishamisika kuti mari iyoyo inogona kudzoka zvekuti kana newe unoona kushamisika kuti amana mari
inodzoka.
Exactly. So it's very important. Get to learn these things, Wabereki. I insist. I insist, and I also beg you, but please get in touch with him and get to do my websites. Kana usingade hako website yako izvezvi but chingotora nhamba iyoyi ichakukoshera mumuzi. Wakuvharwa naweb designer wako wanenge waina unotsvaka mwacho. Andakakudza kuti website yakrash. Saka you need people vakaita sana Leon. Handiti inini kwaana ndazoti munhu ngaauye adai. Sha. Ndatotanga ndatonyatsomaker sure ndaziva kuti munhu anoshanda naye mumuzi. So this guy, I can assure you, and also uchaona yangu inenge yakanzi kundaishitima.com. Mai manje inenge yapo. So far yapedzwa pedziswa. Kundaishitima.com. Uchaiona. Ndopa unobva waona kuti aiwa kwakusira. Andiwana. So let's do that. I really want to appreciate you, mkoma wangu, Mr. Leon. Thank you. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.
Andika.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
All right, so I really want to appreciate you. Thank you, Baba. Ndichikubvisa pa live match. Right. Vabereki, tinokutendai nekuuya kwamaita and inonzi broadcast yedu. Mangwana, we are going to be talking about YouTube. Andika, we'll be talking about YouTube. And I'll be having excuse me, flu. I'll be having one of the biggest YouTubers in Zimbabwe, anonzi Shema TV. So she's gonna be coming per channel panapa. We'll be having other YouTubers as well. Banana Yo Boy Beats. We are going to be having Banana Zigo TV. We are going to be having a lot of people who are going to be coming to share information on what they know. Okay, so you guys, thank you so much for your time. I really want to appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for being with us. And bro